Welcome to this week's spelling pretest. I will read off the 24 words. We're missing one this week. And then you may click on to the list when you're done to see the correct spelling. Remember, you can hit pause at the end of each word if I'm reading them too fast. Here we go. Number 1, elect. They will elect a president next year. Elect. Number 2, election. Next November, we have the presidential election. Number 3, tense. His muscles were tense. Number 4, tension. Because he was nervous, he had a lot of tension in his muscles. Tension. Number 5, react. I will react to the ball in the game. Number 6, reaction. What is his reaction when the ball flew across the court? Reaction. Number 7, confess. I confess I ate the piece of pie. Number 8, confession. He made a confession after he ate the pie. Number 9, decorate. We will decorate the room for Halloween. Number 10, decoration. The Halloween decoration fell off the wall. Decoration. Number 11, contribute. What will you contribute to the class party? Number 12, contribution. He made a contribution to the class party. Number 13, express. The Pony Express took the mail across the United States. Express. Number 14, expression. The expression on his face showed that he was very tired. Number 15, imitate. He liked to imitate the cartoon. Number 16, imitation. His imitation of Daffy Duck was hilarious. Imitation. Number 17, connect. He will connect to the internet. Connect. Number 18, connection. The internet connection today is bad. Connection. Number 19, admire. I admire students who work hard. Admire. Number 20, admiration. His admiration for the athlete was overwhelming. Admiration. 21, fascinate. I will fascinate you in science class with the experiment. Fascinate. 22, fascination. My fascination with fixing cars makes my yard full of old junky cars. Fascination. Construct. He will construct the model. And the last word, construction. The construction of the model took a long time. Those are your words. Good luck.